ticket. This is this is my FET. This is my FET one. I picked the high ticket, I should say rather. I picked the high ticket. So this high ticket, so you have to, it is more like, so this one that I did before, you gotta have to have inventory on hand. You gotta have to have inventory on hand. This one right now, all right, no selling involved, no inventory. You don't have to chase friends. You don't have to, because we are global rates. No shipping and handling. This is not a drop shipping. No sales quota. I used to work in a jewelry for a living, sells diamond for a living, with a kind of a, you know, with the commission. Then this is how much I'm gonna have to make because there's a sales quota. I have to sell this $5,000 this month. So hey, you wish you have this customer, right? So that's all there is. Those are. So this one, you're on your own CEO, you're on your own business, you learn with your own term. So this is it, amazing in this one. Like I said, I wish I've done this when I saw this few years ago. I wish I'm moving forward.